What is up, guys? It has been way too long, but we have been working on curating a new adventure for you guys to see. We are living out of our van. We plan on giving you guys a proper tour eventually down the line, but right now we are in New Braunfels, Texas. We drove from Houston last night. We are making our way to Alaska, but first we have to stop in Sacramento. Stay tapped in. We are about to cook some breakfast. Here goes your favorite character of the show. She's running around for me. There she goes right there. I don't know if you can see her. She's about to make some kolaches out of our air fryer in our van, man. This is crazy. We took about 4 months to do this, and we just been kind of keeping our heads down, grinding. That's why we haven't been posting anything, but the vlogs are gonna be back, and they're gonna be better than ever. Let's get today started.
Okay, y'all. We're driving on I-35, okay, leaving New Braunfels, Texas, and we see these customized big old rigs. This is probably gonna be like $250,000, but you know what? We are proud because we built this van, this butte right here, brick by brick. This is what all the people that have been doing van life get, which is like, but then it's like a home, like it's, oh my goodness gracious. Right here, y'all. This is $250,000, but this one's open, so we're just gonna go into this one. See, we can comfortably stand in here.
You're right, I'm in here ducking for nothing.
He's so used to our
I'm so used to ducking, man.
Oh, look.
Seats are some at 6-piece dinnerware.
Yeah.
$109.
Everything's collapsible. Wow, they got a
that's the bed back
shower
here.
situation going on.
How do you get it? Wow. I know nothing about this. Oh, we'll show y'all our shower setup later. Look at the floor, the trim.
Okay, we have this. Okay, we got little pilot seat.
We got seatbelts and pilot seats.
This one is $192,000. All right, y'all, but you know what? We got experience now, so if you want a DIY van, hit us up. You gonna close it? Wow. On top of 41-inch tires. It comes up to my shoulder.
How do we get y'all to give us one of these for a day? How many subscribers do we need? Oh, look at this. This is a king-size bed.
Yeah, king size bed. You got a ladder to climb up. You got ladder hooks. That's going to be your access panel to the cab.
And this is the shower and restroom.
Some of these customers are exporting out of country and like traveling, like take us to Australia. We're going to go spend a month.
Oh, the shower's right here.
Okay, so we sell something.
Joshua is inspired.
Bro, this is crazy.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Alternator generators.
There's secondary alternators and generators in here. Okay, a month is quite ambitious.
You said it's ambitious?
Yeah, a month. You think you could build this? Well, we would build
I'm
this
saying
in a
the
month.
steps.
Oh, the steps.
The steps alone.
The steps alone would take us a month. Wow, this is very like free.
We can push out your storage and your power and all your lights and everything on both sides.
Climb up on it. What is
Full
this?
fridge, full fridge.
Oh, wow.
You got convection air fryer, microwave combo, the century way combo.
Yeah, this thing is designed where you don't have to leave it for like a...
No.
Yeah.
Is this what I get if there's like an apocalypse too?
Oh, yeah? Oh my God.
This water system alone is $20 million and more than our van built.
This 2x3 compartment is more than our van.
This is $800,000.
Driver and passenger seat are air ride suspension seats.
Hawks Outdoors. Come and check it out.
Okay, so now we have banh mi coming out of the air fryer. It's so nice and convenient, right? So then we can put it away, but now it means I have to do 2 separate batches of banh mi's. I'm like sitting on the ground. But honestly, I'm like really comfortable. This is like my size. Okay, and then I'm about to cut us a mango. We're gonna eat well, okay? I want it to be known very well and clear that just even living in this lifestyle, we will be able to get our nutrients in. Oh yeah, remember when I was talking about, this is where this banh mi right here specifically is what Joshua was buying often while he was trying to get my number. So what we're gonna do is put some vinaigrette carrots, some cilantro, and then a cucumber, and we could have jalapeno.
All right, y'all, so we are still in the Target parking lot in San Antonio. Currently 3 o'clock, trying to make it to El Paso, about to wash dishes. Oh, look at her sing. Oh, she wanted to show out the sing.
I sure did. It's collapsible, y'all. You have to save space.
But yeah, that's the update. About to wash dishes and hit the road. Alrighty, guys. We are in a little town outside of Fredericksburg. This is what the gas station looks like. You have a McDonald's. I think this is considered like Texas Hill Country. We've been averaging about 14 miles per gallon, which honestly isn't bad considering all the weight we have. We're going about 70 miles per hour. The Chevy van has been taking on the hills pretty good. I can tell my RPMs are getting pretty high, but we'll see. I'm looking at the gas. Gas here is $3.59 per gallon. Jeez. It's currently 5:54. Oh my God, and the time is different because we're driving to a different time zone. She's trying to drive all the way to Arizona from San Antonio today.
No, we're driving until we are tired.
That's not what you told me earlier.
No, the goal is to make it to Phoenix. But we can always shower at Planet Fitness and then keep driving at nighttime because it's cooler anyways and there's less cars out. And then we can sleep at a rest stop.
Guys, I stopped. I was going to put the joint up, but she was all for it. But then she was like, maybe I wasn't clear enough. I'm just gonna drive all the way to Arizona. That's what she told me.
I literally said you should put the drone up.
That's okay. That's not the point. The point is you told me we're driving to Arizona by hill or by fire.
I'm sorry that.
And now it's like
yeah.
I was like, I stopped, and then like, what did you think that was gonna make me feel like when you said that? Huh?
Now I realize. Now I've learned.
Yeah, after she took a nap. She hasn't driven yet, guys. Not that she isn't willing to. Not that she isn't willing to. Okay, but she hasn't driven yet. All right, guys, we are nearing El Paso.
Oh my
the
God.
time is currently 10:22. Oh, your girl, what?
No, like my nails. I scratched my neck. Look.
Oh my God, she always hurt herself.
Oh my gosh. Why is it so red like that? That's crazy. This has never happened.
You want me to kiss you?
Am I getting an allergic reaction?
We are at a Pilot / Wendy's. I just tried to clean the windows. Y'all see what my cleaning job was.
These
How much was gas?
I was gonna say these gas prices, not good. We are at 83.23, dude.
That was with a quarter tank. Gas out here is $4.09. She said the goal is to make it to Arizona tonight.
After we work out and shower.
I can show y'all the window job one more time.
He's gonna give it one more crack at it. Okay. Oh, we the technique here, y'all, is starting from the top. Learn new skills every day.
What is up, everybody? It is obviously a new day. Last night, I was so tired after driving all day. Crystal ended up finishing the leg. We only drove like 30 minutes away from the Planet Fitness. We are still in El Paso. We are currently at a Love's parking lot. We are definitely in the desert. It is cold. We're getting desert vibes. We plan to at least make it to Arizona. The goal for me is California. Making kolaches right now.
We were quite ambitious, but I'm glad we listened to our bodies to rest. From here to Sacramento, there's 17 hours left, so we really could just split 9 hours today, 9 hours tomorrow, and we'll still make it on time and we'll be good and settled before the wedding.
All right, y'all, we just had a very uneventful stop. Headed towards Phoenix right now. Going to Best Buy to try to get something. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet because we'll see. We got about 2.5 hours until our next stop. That'll make it 3:30 local time. We've been going through time zones, ripping through time zones. How many time zones have we been through?
Just one. We're on Mountain Time right now.
Okay, so we've only been in 2 time zones for now. but we got a long way to go. Paid $98 for gas. We had an eighth of a tank left, and that cost us $98. Gas is $4.45. Jesus Christ.
We arrived at Best Buy. Phoenix is really nice, and I like the desert vegetation. I was thinking in Houston how I see so much concrete, so this is kind of nice, but I do have a lot of allergies and like asthma and stuff sometimes, so if the dirt gets all kicked up here.
They have like rock yards.
Yeah.
They don't have like grass.
Yeah, and so like then so it's probably not the best place for me to live if all the dirt gets kicked up.
Oh, what did we learn about the windshields last time we were here? Was it the windshields or the tires?
The tires, like it gets so hot here. I mean, I'm talking about 120.
Nah, maybe not. Maybe like 110, 115.
Yeah, some kind of like dry heat though.
Ridiculous.
But then like the tires, the rubber will start melted. Oh, the windshield, a lot of rocks will get kicked up, so the windshield gets cracked a lot.
They have like insurance policies like special for windshields in Arizona.
All right, y'all, this is what we're trying to find.
This is the pivot
Joshua was thinking about Starlink when he was purchasing the electricity, so we have so much power. We're gonna see about Starlink so that we can still upload videos. He's in school. So a lot of things to consider, especially because we want to be off-grid too. It's so interesting because so many people asked us if we're going to be using Starlink. For me, I was kind of doubtful of it. So we'll see if it's up for the hype. Look at this big old cactus. What do y'all got going on in Phoenix? Look at this. It is day 3 of resuming our trip to Sacramento. We're now leaving Phoenix. Thank goodness to Joshua's uncle. We stayed with them last night, or in their driveway, because we have a whole setup already to sleep.
Finally got a haircut.
And
finally cut my hair.
let me show y'all this new man. Ooh.
The fade isn't that good, but it's good enough.
We have to stop at Home Depot because our spice rack is falling apart, yeah.
Oh, my spice rack is holding on by a tendon.
All right, so we're in Sacramento for my friend's wedding. After the ceremony, we helped set up the reception area, but now there's more people there. So, gonna take a break and look at what are you on? Security detail? Here I go, spotting Joshua in his happy place. First opportunity he gets to fish. Here we go. Right, this just to show y'all our cooking setup. This is our gas stove. I recorded after I finished, and then I have my food. And my mom packed us some soup, and it makes me miss her so much. This is such a taste of home. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. If you're new to our channel, my name is Crystal.
I'm Joshua.
We started this channel because we were backpacking Asia, so if you wanted to, check out our backpacking Asia playlist. But now we have self-converted our lovely van to travel around the US. We're gonna figure out where we may want to settle down. Stay tuned for how van life is gonna go for us. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.
Later.